Hi dear students, this class we are going to discuss different forms of the equations of a straight line, right? So as we discussed in the last class, inclination concept. So that continuation, different forms of a straight line. So this is x-axis. What is the equation of x-axis? You can take any point on x-axis. Any point on x-axis, y coordinate is 0. Any point on x-axis, y coordinate is equals to 0. Anywhere you can take a point on x-axis, y coordinate is equals to 0. That's why the equation of x-axis is y is equals to 0. And any line parallel to x-axis is of the form y is equals to k. If the line above the x-axis, then k is positive. If the line is below the x-axis, then k is negative. So this particular point I can say 0 comma minus k, and this particular point I can say 0 comma k, where k is positive, right? So that is the equation of a straight line parallel to x-axis. Once again, the equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. Any line parallel to x-axis is of the form y is equals to k, right? If the line above the x-axis, then k is positive. If the line is below the x-axis, then k is negative. At the same time, you can take any point on y-axis. On y-axis, x coordinate is equals to x coordinate is equals to x coordinate is equals to 0. That's why the equation of y-axis is x is equals to 0. At the same time, any line parallel to y-axis, any line parallel to y-axis is of the form x is equals to a. That means this distance is equals to a units. So if the line is to the right side of y-axis, then a is positive. If the line is to the left side of y-axis, then a is negative. Okay, so that is about the equation of y-axis, x is equal to 0. Any line parallel to y-axis is either x is equal to a. If a is positive, that means the line parallel to y-axis, right side. If a is negative, the line is parallel to y-axis but left side of the y-axis. That is about the equation of x-axis and a line parallel to x-axis. Equation of y-axis and a line parallel to y-axis. Now I want to find out the equation of a straight line. The information is given as this line is passing through a point x1, y1. And the slope of this line is equal to m given. We want to find out the equation of a line passing through a point x1, y1 with the slope m. For finding the line equation, I am taking a general point on the line. Let x comma y be a general point on the line. This x comma y we can take anywhere on the line, right? So that's why, what is the slope of this line? Let us say this point is a and this point is px comma y is a general point on the line. Anywhere you can take that point px comma y. Now tell me what is the slope of AP? Slope of AP is equal to y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. That is the slope of AP. Therefore we are getting y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. This is the equation of a line passing through a point x1, y1 with the slope m. This we will call it as point slope form of a line. Point is given as x1, y1 and the slope is given as m. Then the equation of the line is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Next I am going to find out the another one. When 2 points are given, this point is x1, y1 and this point is x2, y2. We want to find out the equation of a line passing through these 2 points, right? So as we know, y minus y1 is equal to slope into x minus x1. That is the equation of a line, right? Passing through a point x1, y1 with the slope m. Tell me what is the slope of this line? This line slope is given by, come on, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1, because x2 y2 is one point, x1 y1 is another point. This line slope is given by y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So we got the equation of a line passing through 2 points. That's why we will call this one as 2-point form. 2 points form the equation of a line when 2 points are given. Sir, why you are taking the point x1 y1 only? Yes, you can take the point x2 y2 also. Point is x2 y2 and slope is same, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. We will get the equation of a line passing through 2 points. So next we are going to discuss about the another important idea. What is an intercept? You see, observe here. So a line meets the x-axis at a point a comma 0 and y-axis at a point 0 comma b. This a is called x-intercept. A is called x-intercept. A is called the x-intercept and this B is called y-intercept. Right? X-intercept is equals to A and y-intercept is equals to B. Then modulus of A is called length of the intercept. Modulus of A is called the length of x-intercept. And modulus of B is called length of the y-intercept. Okay, because here the line now it is passing through the point minus a comma 0, right? So this length is called length of the x-intercept. Okay, x-intercept is equal to minus a here, but length of the x-intercept means you will get modulus of minus a, that is nothing but a only. Okay, x-intercept is a, this length is called x-intercept and this length is called y-intercept. Modulus of a is called length of the x-intercept, modulus of b is called length of the y-intercept. But if you know the x-intercept and y-intercept, how to find out the equation of a line? We want to find out the equation of a line whose x-intercept is given as a, that means this length is given as a and this length is given as b. Then we want to find out the equation of this line. Yes, we know this point is a comma 0 and this point we know 0 comma b. We know 2 points. When we know 2 points, how to find out the equation of a line? The equation of a line is y minus y1 is equal to slope b minus 0 divided by 0 minus a into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is equal to slope y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, that is the slope into x minus x1. Now this simplification we can write y is equals to b by a into x minus a. That further we can simplify ay is equals to bx minus ab. Right? So ay is equals to bx minus ay is equal to bx minus ab. Shift to this side, then what happens? Bx plus ay is equals to ab. Divide with ab, then we will get x by a plus y by b is equals to 1, which we will call it as intercept form of a line equation. That is the intercept form of a line equation. First one we discussed point slope form. Next we discussed 2 points form. Now we are discussing intercept form. When x-intercept is equals to a, y-intercept is equals to b, then the equation of the line is x by a plus y by b is equals to 1. This is the equation of a line. Now this line along with the coordinate axis, we are getting a triangle. Come on, tell me what is the area of this triangle? The area of this triangle is given by half into modulus of AB. Because half into base is nothing but A, height is nothing but B. That's why area of this triangle is equals to half AB. Area never be negative. That's why we are keeping it in modulus. That is about the intercept form of a line equation. At the same time, you can observe here, slope of the line is equals to m and y-intercept is given as a c. What is the information given? A line, slope is given as m, slope of this line is given as m and y-intercept is given as c. That means this length is c. Whenever this length is given as c, then I can take that point as 0 comma c or not, because y-intercept is c means the line must passes through the point 0 comma c. So that's why y-intercept is c, that's why the line is passing through the point 0 comma c. Slope is given as m. You know the slope and you know the point. Then how to find out the equation of the line? The equation of the line is y minus y1 is equal to slope into x minus x1. Therefore we will get y is equal to mx plus c. This is the equation of a line in slope intercept form. That is the equation of a line in slope given as m, intercept, y-intercept is given as c. Then the equation of the line is y is equal to mx plus c. Now instead of y-intercept, he has given the x-intercept in the next sign. Now in the question what he has given? He has given x-intercept. When he has given x-intercept, definitely the line passes through the point c comma 0. Slope is m, x-intercept is given as a c. That means the line is passing through the point c comma 0. Now what is the equation of the line? The equation of the line is y minus y1 is equals to slope into x minus x1. Therefore we will get y is equal to m into x minus c. So these are the slope intercept form of a line equation. This one when y-intercept given, this one when x-intercept is given. So overall, what is the equation of a line? The general form of the equation of a line. The general form of the equation of a line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That is the general form of the equation of a line. Right? So that is the general form of the equation of a line. Now I am converting this line equation into ax, okay, by is equals to minus ax minus c. Now you will get y is equals to minus a by b into x plus minus c by b. Now it is in the form of y is equals to mx plus c form or not. What is the slope of the line? Slope of the line is equal to minus a by b. Slope of the line is equal to minus a by b. That is equal to minus of coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. That is the slope of a line. Whenever the line equation is given ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, this line slope is given by minus of x coefficient divided by y coefficient. That's what you will get, minus a by b. Now what I am doing is the same line equation I want to convert into intercept form. What is the intercept form of a line equation? The intercept form of a line equation is x by a plus y by b is equals to 1. This is the intercept form of a line equation. Here x-intercept is equal to A, y-intercept is equals to B. Now this can be written as AX plus BY is equals to minus C. Therefore we will get AX divided by minus C plus BY divided by minus C is equals to 1. Further we can write it as X divided by minus C by A plus Y divided by minus C by B is equals to 1. Now what is x-intercept? X-intercept is equal to minus C by A and y-intercept is equal to minus C by B. We got x-intercept and y-intercept. Now you can observe that particular line. This line along with the coordinate axis, we are getting a triangle. What is the area of this triangle? Yes, we got the information x-intercept is equal to minus C by A. That's why I can say this particular point is minus C by A, comma 0. And whereas this particular point is 0, comma minus C by B. Now area of the triangle is equal to half into base is equal to minus C by A, height is equal to minus C by B. Half into base into height. So you will get C square divided by 2 times mod AB. So you may get a doubt, sir, negative is there, how we are writing to the positive side of x-axis? We can't say it is negative. It is negative or positive depends on the values of A and C. If A value is positive, C value is negative, then it becomes a positive only. That's why minus C by A comma 0, 0 comma minus C by B are the x-intercept and y-intercept. Area is equal to half into base into height. So we got C square divided by 2 times mod AB. That means this line slope is equal to, come on, what is the slope of this line? This line slope is equal to minus A by B. And x-intercept is equal to minus C by A comma 0, nothing if you put y is equal to 0. So x-intercept is equal to minus C by A and y-intercept is equal to minus C by B, nothing if you put x is equal to 0 you will get y-intercept, right? So this line along with the coordinate axis we are getting a triangle. Area of the triangle is given by C square divided by 2 times mod AB. So that is about that particular line information. Now again you can observe here, when the problem is given like this, A into mod x plus B into mod y plus C is equals to 0. A into mod x plus B into mod y plus C is equal to 0. What happens? What is the meaning for this? This represents 4 lines. The first line is AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0. The other one is minus AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0. One more is AX minus BY plus C is equal to 0. One more line is minus AX minus BY plus C is equal to 0. So this equation represents 4 lines. If the value of A and the value of B, A is equals to B, then those 4 lines always forms a square. If A is equals to B, those 4 lines forms a square, right? Area of that square is given by C square divided by 2 times AB. Just now we discussed the area of this triangle. These type of triangles, how many are there? 4 are there. That's why 4 times, that's why you will get 2 times C square divided by AB. That is the area of A square. These 4 lines, along with these 4 lines always forms a square when A is equals to B. If A is not equals to B, then it forms a rhombus. If A and B are not equal, because in this case what happened, this one is minus C by A comma 0, whereas this one is 0 comma minus C by B. This height and this height are different, right? So if A is not equals to B, these 4 lines forms a rhombus. The area of that figure is given by 2 times c square divided by AB. So this forms a quadrilateral. A is equal to B, that quadrilateral is a square. If A not equals to B, that quadrilateral is a rhombus. Area is given by 2 times c square divided by mod AB. So that is about the another information regarding a line. Now you can observe here AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0. Everyone know what is the slope of that line? That line slope is equal to minus A by B. Any line parallel to this line is of the form AX plus BY plus K is equals to 0. Any line parallel to this line, two lines are parallel means the difference will come in constant only. What I told, two lines are parallel means slopes are equal. This line slope is minus A by B. At the same time, slope of this line is also equal to minus A by B. Two lines are parallel, then their slopes must be equal. That's why two lines are parallel lines means the difference will come in constant only. Okay, suppose this line is parallel to this one and the information is given as passing through the point x1, y1. This line is parallel to this one and passing through a point x1, y1. Any line parallel to this line is of the form ax plus by plus k is equal to 0. This line is passing through a point x1, y1. Substitute there ax1 plus by1 plus k is equal to 0. So we got the value of k is equal to minus ax1 minus by1. K value substitute there. Ax plus by minus ax1 minus by1 is equal to 0. If you take a common, x minus x1. If you take b common, y minus y1 is equals to 0. Right? So the first information is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. You know this is the general form of the equation of a line. Any line parallel to this line is of the form ax plus by plus k is equal to 0. The difference will come in constant only. Next, at the same time, any line parallel to this and passing through a point x1, y1 is of the form a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 is equals to 0. At the same time, any line perpendicular to this line is of the form bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0, because this line slope is equal to minus a by b. What about the slope of this line? This line slope is given by b by a minus of x coefficient by y coefficient. That's why you get b by a. What about the product of the slopes? Product of the slopes is equal to minus 1. Two lines are perpendicular, then product of the slopes must be equal to minus 1. These two multiplication you will get minus 1. Right? Now the question is, any line perpendicular to this and passing through a point x1, y1 is of the form b into x minus x1 minus a into y minus y1 is equals to 0. Right? Same. How we got k value? Here, same way. Right? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the general form of the equation of a line. Any line parallel to this line is of the form ax plus by plus k is equal to 0. Any line parallel to this and passing through a point x1, y1 is of the form a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 is equals to 0. Now any line perpendicular to this line is of the form bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0. Sir, why bx minus ay plus k? Yes, you can also take minus bx plus ay plus k is equal to 0 also you can take, because this line slope also b by a. This line slope also b by a. Anyone you can take, but this is the general way of taking. So any line perpendicular to this line is of the form bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0. Now a line perpendicular to this and passing through a point x1 y1 is of the form b into x minus x1 minus a into y minus y1 is equal to 0. So that is the way of finding the different forms of the lines. Next class we are going to discuss about the normal form of the line and the symmetric form of a line, that is nothing but distance form of a line. Okay.